How to enable haptic feedback in Dream League Soccer 2026. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off the haptic feedback or vibration in Dream League Soccer 2026 game. First of all, launch open the game on your device, and once you're inside this main home screen, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top left corner. You'll then come across this expanded menu where you'll need to click on the audio option at the bottom center of the page. Now, you'll see haptic feedback option on the fourth row. Simply go ahead and tap on the arrow right next to it to turn off the haptic feedback. Make sure that the haptic feedback is leveled as off if you want to turn it off. You can always turn it back on again by tapping on the same arrow button, and that's how you easily switch on and off the haptic feedback option in Dream League Soccer 2026. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.